Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's alternative investment services. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's alternative investment services, this video is going to help you out with that. It's just going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity accounts. Now you can log into your Fidelity accounts on the online website, or you could log in on the mobile app. That's the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the investment products, and then you're going to select alternative investments. Now there you can browse the alternative investment services. You have a couple of them, such as hedge funds, private equities and whatnot. And next you're going to use the services to access alternative investments, and there you can view and manage alternative investment portfolios. Likewise, you can monitor the alternative investment activities. Also, you can use these services to diversify investment portfolios. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's alternative investment services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys